अस्त्युत्तरस्यां दिशि देवतात्मा हिमालयो नाम नगाधिराजः पूर्वापरौ तोयनिधिवगाह्य स्थितपृथिव्या इव मानदण्डः. So there are now Parameshwara is asking whether so the first thing he is asking, why is she doing such a tapas? In that he says, I don't see any necessity for you to do tapas. Kule prasutihi prathamasya vedasaha. You are born in Brahma's kulam. Triloka saundaryamiva avarjitam vapuhu. You have a form which is extremely beautiful. Amrigyam aishwarya sukham. You also have the prosperity that you need. Navam vayaha and yobonam also. So tapah palam syat kim ataf param vada. So what other result are you expecting from your tapas? So if it is anishtat, not only ishta sadhanam, it can also be anishta varanam. So bhavatyanishtaadapi nama dussahat manasvininam pratipattiridrishi vicharamarga prahitena chetasa nadrishyate tacha talodari tvayi. Even if I try to think and analyze, I don't see any anishtam that could have happened to you. He is going to list out what are all the possible anishta which he doesn't see that could happen for her. So anything undesired, if some undesired thing has happened, then it is possible that you are doing tapas to overcome that. Right? So that also na drishyate. I don't see that kind of a possibility in you right now. Alabhya shokabhibhava iyam akritihi vimanana subhru krita pitur grihe parabhimarshaha natavastikaha karam prasarayet pannaga ratna sutaye. Iyam akritihi. When I look at your form, according to Samudrika Lakshanam, this is a form that cannot have the grief of any kind of abhibhava, humiliation. So, alabhyaha shoka paribhavaha athava shoka abhibhavaha. So this is a form, iyam akritihi, this is your form, is so beautiful that according to Lakshana, there is no possibility, alabhyam, it is not at all possible for you to attain an abhibhava. That is, abhibhavam can be a kind of a humiliation or an insult due to some kind of a grief. So, someone has caused something, so you feel smarted, you feel a grief, and you also feel that you have been overcome by somebody, and hence you want to do tapas as a revenge. That kind of a thing is not possible for such a beautiful form. Samudrika lakshana ritya maya drishyate atra iti. So alabhya shoka abhibhava. So shokasya abhibhavaha. Some feeling of humiliation because of grief, and that is alabhyam. You have, it is not possible for you to get it. Tadrishi akritihi tava iyam. Vimanana, kutaha piturgrihe, you are staying in your father's house. So there is no possibility of vimanana, someone insulting you also. That is also not possible because you are present in your father's house. If you have gone to somebody else's house, then yes, because I don't belong there, they have insulted me. Tathapi bhavitum arhati, but that is not the case here. Piturgrihe, you are present in your own father's home. So where is the possibility of vimanana? Para abhimarshaha tava na asti. Another person touching you is definitely not possible. That is balatkarena kaschana tvam sprishati ityapi tatra prasaktireva nasti. So there is no possibility of that also. And he explains it with an example. He says, kaha karam prasarayet pannaga ratna sutaye. Who would want to extend his arm? Kaha karam prasarayetu. Who would want to extend his arm in order to obtain suti actually means production or offspring, birth, etc., reproduction, that kind of a meaning. So whereas here he takes it in the sense of pannaga ratna sutaye labhe athava grahane. If someone wants to take the gem from a snake, who will want to extend his arm to take this gem from a snake? So she is like an you cannot even untouchable, you can't even touch her because she is of that Shakti there. So who will try to touch you, or who will even try to behave in an inappropriate manner towards you? So para abhimarshaha. Abhimarshaha, touching from another person is possible, not at all possible. He says, kaha karam prasarayet. One would not even try to extend their hand, let alone touch. So, alabhya shoka abhibhava iyam akritihi. So, these are the possibilities of anishtam. And that kind of an anishtam is also, I don't see that kind of an anishtam has happened to you. Undesired thing has happened for you. So, there is a big vyakhyanam for this, because this word subhru in Hrasva, as a one who has beautiful eyebrows, it is not possible. So he gives an explanation for that, why there is no Hrasva.
Is not Sambodhana Pratima?
Sambodhana?
Sambodhana only, but it cannot get Nadi Samjna because there is an Uvang Adesha. Only for Ung Adesha there is Hrasva. Right, Nadi, only Ambartha Nadi, Nadyoho Hrasvaha eva. So there is a discussion there. Yeah, you can go over that later. Anishta prapti anupapattim eva vicharamarga anusarina hetutrayena pratipadayati. So there are three reasons that he gives that Anishta prapti. There is no possibility of getting something undesired, because of which you are going into this tapas. So vicharamarga anusarina hetutrayena. Vicharamarga anusarina nama, using his analytical skills, Bhagavan tries to give three reasons for saying that this Anishta prapti is also anupapatti. It is not possible for her. Tava iyam akritihi alabhya shoka abhibhava. Iyam nama samudrika ukta sakala guna paripurnataya drishyamana akritihi. This form of yours, which is filled with all the good qualities that has been said by Samudrika Lakshanajnaha. Tadrisha akritihi akaraha, a form, sharira samsthana visheshaha. The arrangement and symmetrical form that is there, it doesn't seem to tell me that you could experience such kind of a dukkham. Labdhum jnatum na shakyate iti alabhyaha asambhavaniyaha. Unthinkable. Alabhyaha shokena abhibhavaha paribhavaha. A kind of an insult or low feeling because of grief. Right? You feel hurt, hence slowly you start thinking that because of that hurt, you feel insulted. So you may not treat it need not be an insult, but the moment someone says something, you feel hurt, and that hurt, because of that hurt, you feel that you are insulted. So shokena abhibhavaha alabhyaha asambhavaniyaha. It's not possible to think about such a insult for you. Nahi samudrika ukta sakala lakshana paripurne jane anishta praptihi nahi sambhavyate iti bhavaha. In a person who has all of the lovely appropriate lakshanas that are given with respect to a form which cannot even experience dukkham, right? Tadrisha jane, in such a person who is Parvati. Parvati has, according to Samudrika Lakshanam, she is a beauty, and her form is such that she cannot get something anishtam. So anishta praptihi nahi sambhavyate. Nanu tapascharana nimitta bhavam anubhavata yena kenachit avamana visheshena dhruvasya iva gunavatam api tapascharanam bhavet. Bhavati cha tenaiva utkarsha atishaya praptihi ityatra dvitiyam hetum avatarayati. Another reason could be because the avamanana, this anishta prapti can be daiva vashat. So daiva vashat, there could be some kind of an anishta prapti, but your form tells me that it is not at all possible. Daiva vashat evam bhavitum arhati iti na drishyate eva because of your form. That is the first one. The next is yena kenachit. There can be another instrument through whom such an avamanana could have occurred. So tapascharana nimitta bhavam, the reason for doing this tapas, anubhavata, yena kenachit, anubhavata, one who he is trying to analyze this reason. One who is experiencing this kind of a nimittam. Tapas செய்வதற்கு நிமித்தமாக இருக்கும் பாவத்தை அனுபவிக்கின்ற எவனோ ஒருவனால் இல்ல ஏதோ ஒரு அவமானத்தினால் அப்படி வரணும். Okay, so it is an adjective to the அவமான விசேஷ. Some kind of an insult which is of some format, it doesn't matter the reason it went up, so that is being experienced which as a reason for tapascharana. So tapascharana nimitta bhavam anubhavata avamana visheshena. This avamana vishesham which seems to give rise has become the nimittam for tapascharana. Yatha, just as how Dhruva was refused by his father, hence he decided that it was an insult and he wanted to go and do tapas so that he can attain a position which is much higher than even his father. That's what he wanted. So Dhruvasya iva gunavatam api, even for people who have great qualities, tapascharanam bhavet, it is possible that they could undertake such a penance. Bhavati cha tena iva, and with that tapasa athava tapascharana eva utkarsha atishaya praptihi bhavati iti, and because of that tapas it is possible to attain some great position, and even people who have good qualities, they want to achieve something like that because of some avamanana. Iti chet dvitiyam hetumapi avatarayati. That is also not possible because he Subhru piturgrihe vimanana kutaha. Where is the possibility of an insult or a humiliation in your father's house? Subhruhu na shobhana bruhu yasyaha tasyaha sambuddhiriyam. Now goes the discussion about why there cannot be hraswa and why there is hraswa because of Vamana Sutra. So na iyang uvang sthanau astri itihi nadi samgya pratishidha. So there is an uvang here because of which Subhru shabdasya uvang sthanatvat, because there is uvang and not ung, na uvang. So when you have uvang, you do not have nadi samgya. Ambartha nadyoho hrasvaha iti hrasvaha api na sambhavati. Ambartha, so when you have amba, you don't make it as ambe. He ambe iti na bhavati. He amba iti hrasvaha eva bhavati. Nadi samgya yatra yatra vartate tatrapi you have only hrasva for sambodhana pratama. So uchyate ukarantat api ung pravrittehe iti Vamana Sutram, and asya arthaha ung utaha iti vihitaha ung pratyayaha kvachit ukarantadapi bhavati. So you can have a pratyaya ung and not uvang after an ukaranta shabda. So when you bring in ung, what happens is acharya pravrittehe. Where is this from? He just says by Kalidasasya upayogaha atra drishyate tadeva pramanam iti. I don't know what Mallinatha takes. No, not this. No? Let me just, he also discusses the same thing. Ukaradapi ung prakrittehe or pravrittehe, and he uses the same discussion here. Okay, pramadikaha iti kechit. But there are some people who take it as Vamana Sutram as pramanam and go with that. அதுக்கு மேல the aprani jatehe cha arajwadinam iti vartikakara vachanat iti bhavaha. This is Vartikakara says that ung can occur there. Tatra punaha alabuhu karkandhuhu ityadi udaharanam. These are the examples there. So subru shabdat aprani jatehe. If it is not a prani like animals, then you can have ung. Ungi sati. you have ityadina uvang adeshasya abhavat achishnu dhatu bhruvam, you don't have uvang, so nadi samjna api na bhavati, hence sambuddhau hrasva nasyat, sorry, okay, nasyat, so you get nadi samjna and then there is hrasvam. Chariya, I may not be so clear in this. You can check out the process and figure it out. As such, the u usually cannot come if it is uvang, then the hrasva cannot come. But you don't take it as uvang here, you take it as pratyaya. Hence, nadi samjna bhavati, tadanantaram hrasvaha sambuddho. Okay? Hey Subhru, hey Sundari, one who has beautiful eyebrows, so one who is beautiful. That's our crux here. Tatparyam tu atra kim bhavati anaya sambuddhya devyaha sarvajaneshu karunya ardra hridayatvam dhvanyate. He very simply says this. He has spent so much time on trying to justify the form of Subhru, and he has left out one small bit, I feel. Maybe it just slipped his mind and he already felt, okay, I have dealt with this too much. And he probably missed out that. Why does Subhru mean Sundari and why should it be Karunya Ardra Hridayatvam? I was thinking, Bhrukuti Karanam tu tatra na vidyate devyaha ityeva. She never even once crunches her eyebrows in anger towards her bhakta or parijana, unless they are asuras. Who have to be killed. That is when her Bhrukuti Karanam comes about. She scrunches her eyebrows in anger. Since she never does that, Sarvajaneshu api, for everybody, she shows her Karunyam. Adanala, Subhru is a word probably indicating that compassion that she has in her mind. So, Karunya Ardra Hridayatvam Dhvanyate. Hridayagatam hi akshibhruvadau abhivyaktam bhavati. Whatever is there in the mind is immediately seen in the eyes and in the eyebrows. Knitted eyebrows. Yes, that is Bhrukuti Karanam. Hridayagatam, whatever is there in the mind is very clearly shown. You may not even show it in your mouth or your smile or anything, but your eyes and your eyebrows would immediately show the feeling that you have. Taduktam Naishadhakavye itiyam akshibhruva vibhrama ingita sputam anicham vivaritum utsuka. She is eager to vivaritum, varnanam kartum. She wants to or change anicham vivaritumங்கிறது வந்து probably she wants to change her attitude. She became very utsuka, eager to show irkalam. Vivaranam kartum iti api prayah tatra sandarbha na drishtaha maya. So it could be akshibhruva vibhrama ingita sputam anicham. Anicha, that she doesn't like something, is very clear. Sputam, it is very clear in the gesture, ingitam, and the vibhrama, the grace that is there in her eyes and her eyebrows. So Naishadakara very beautifully says that it is the eyes and the eyebrow that reveal what is there in the mind of the person. Karunya ardra hridayatvena cha devim prati jananam anuraga atishayaha pratipaditaha. So it's very natural that people will immediately feel a kind of love towards Devi, and hence nobody would want to insult her in her father's house. Right? Yatha uktam Raghuvamshe Ahameva mato mahipateriti sarvaha prakritishu achintayat. Prakritishu, among all people, everybody thinks that ahameva mataha mahipatehe. I am the one who is considered by the Raja. This should be by Ajanna இருக்கும். 8 வந்து could be Aja or Dasharatha. Ahameva mato mahipatehe. இது வந்து all the subjects think that they are the king's favorite, but which king is what I'm thinking. Therila. उददेरिव निमग्नशतेषु अभवन्ना अस्य विमानना क्वचित् even when everything Raghu oh this is no not Raghu இது வந்து அஜன் தான் நினைக்கிறேன் அஜன் sorry yeah it's not Dasharatha comes in 9-10 after that so Aja everybody thought that I am the favorite of Aja Mahipatehe ahameva mataha iti prakritishu sarvaha achintayate everybody thought this he gives an example by saying that when all of the rivers hundreds of rivers nimnagaha nama nadi shateshu among the hundreds of rivers which fall into the ocean udadehe none of them think that oh this ocean is not showing favoritism towards me right the sea udadehe vimanana na vartate kvachidapi asya udadehe the sea does not show any favoritism or does not insult vimanana does not ignore any river even though hundreds of rivers come and fall into the ocean. So the same way Devi also her natural behavior is she has so much of compassion that everybody feel love towards her. Tasmat Devi swarupana avasthayam Devi swarupana avasthayam vimanana hetoho abhavaha ஸ்வரூபணமா தப்பு ஏதாவது இருக்கான்னு பார்க்குறேன் ஒன்றுவாங்க ஸ்வரூப நிரூபணம் ஓகே ஸ்வரூப நிரூபண அவசரே அது ரெண்டுத்தையும் மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டார் இந்த இடத்துல தேர் ஷுட் பி another நிரூபணம் ஓகே देव्याः स्वरूप निरूपण अवस्थायां while describing Devi's swarupam vimanana hetoho abhavaha there is no possibility of anybody insulting her at all because by nature she has so much of compassion towards people and people naturally feel a love towards her. The other punarapi visheshamaha another reason is she is in her own father's house. Where is the possibility of that? पितुर्गृहे त्वयि अत्यंत स्निग्धस्य हिमवतः भवने विमानना अवमानः कुतः Kasmat bhavati. How is it possible? Bhartuhu grihavartininam. If you had already gone to your husband's house, sapatnyadi sakashat, there could be other wives who, because of which anishtam sambhavye, there could be some unpleasant thing that happened. Natu sakala bandhujana paripurna pitrugrihavartininam anishtam sambhavyeta. It is not possible for a woman who is living with her relatives in her father's house and everybody's favorite she is. So where is the possibility of something unpleasant? Pituhu tvayi atyanta snigdhatvancha prasiddham. It's also well known that he is extremely affectionate towards Parvati, Himavan. Nanu atra para abhibhavaha hetuhu astu. There is a possibility that somebody else apart from those who are living in her father's palace could have caused this kind of an insult. Para abhibhavaha hetuhu astu iti ashankya tritiyam hetum aha tava para abhimarshaha nasti tathavidha pratapayuktasya parvata chakravartinaha putri aste. You are the daughter of such a valorous mountain which is Himavan. So parena abhimarshaha balatkarena sparshaha nasti na sambhavyate. It's not possible for anybody to use force and touch you. Para abhimarsha abhavam eva prativastupamaya upapadayati. This is prativastupama. Okay. कफ पन्नगरत्न सूतये करं प्रसारयेत् इति कः न कोपि इत्यर्थः. पन्नगरत्न सूतये पन्नगस्य रत्नं फणामणिः the रत्नं and the like the नीति शतक श्लोका right दुर्जनः परिहर्त मणिना भूषितः सर्पः किमसौ न भयङ्करः. So पन्नगस्य रत्नं फणामणिः तस्य सूतये चालनाय he takes सूति to mean chalanam moving or removing it from the snake. Suti also means giving birth, like the child coming out of the mother, right? Removing the child from the mother. In the same way, it is like extracting the money from the snake. So chalanaya, he takes it as shung prerane iti dhatoho. Ktin pratyayantam idam padam. Fine. So प्रेरणाय कहा करम हस्तं प्रसारयेत प्रसृतं कुर्यात् यथा जिजीविषुः पुमान् someone who wants to live जीवितुम् इच्छा अस्ति चेत् तर्हि पन्नग फणा मणि समाहरणाय in order to grab the gem from the head of a snake karam na prasarayati, he will not even extend his hand. Tathaiva tvam balatkarena sprashtumapi iti bhavaha. In the same manner, he will not extend his arm to touch you. Right? Nobody has seen the gem on a snake to know whether it will hurt it or not. Who knows? So, kara prasarana matram api na kuryat kim punaha sparshanam iti bhavaha. Anena himavat pratapasya atyanta durlanghyatvam uktam. So, it's very difficult to face the valor of Himavan. That is also suggested here by this. Abhilashe satyapi. Even if we have a desire, pratapat asprishyattvam prativastuna dhvanyate. So it is a alankarena vastudhvani. So abhilashe satyapi. Even if you have that desire to touch, you still will not touch because fearing for the valor of Himavan. So that is, you could be hit by him hence. Atra Devya Mahabhagya Yogitvam. So many dhvanis are here. So Mahabhagya Yogitvam, Bandhujana Madhyavartitvam, Pitra Gauravat Para Anabhibhavaniyatvam cha iti trayaha hetavaha anishta prapti abhave pratipaditaha. So here there are three hetu for nothing unpleasant has happened for Parvati, because of which she is doing tapas right now. What are the three reasons that no unpleasantness has happened? Number one is she has a great fortune. So her form itself tells that Mahabhagya Yogitvam. She is indeed very fortunate to have had such a form. The next, which also indicates that nothing unpleasant can happen to such a form. She is among her relatives, Bandhujana Madhyavartitvam, in her father's own house. Hence, no unpleasantness can happen. The third is, because of her father's greatness, another person cannot even think of approaching her. This is the third hetu, because of which she could encounter any unpleasantness. None of these are possible. Tasmat na tava idam tapascharanam anishta prapti hetukam. So hence, you doing a tapas, it doesn't have is not the reason, or you got something unpleasant and because of which you are doing this tapas, iti na vartate eva. That's not possible. Alabhya shoka bhibhava iyam akritihi vimanana subhru kritah pitur grihe parabhimarsho natavastikah karam prasarayet pannaga ratna sutaye. What does he take this as? Suchayen rika. Okay. Ratna suchaye, suchi nama shalaka. And the kanti. So you can take that as okay. Sorry. Next one is किमित्यपास्य आभरणानि यौवने धृतं त्वया वार्धकशोभिवल्कलं वद प्रदोषे विनिकीर्णतारका विभावरी यद्यरुणाय कल्पते. आभरणानि apasya यौवने एव. So in Raghuvamsham he says यौवने विशेषिणां वार्धके मुनिवृत्तीनां. No, अनिष्टप्राप्तिः नास्ति, इष्टप्राप्तिः अपि नास्ति तत्र. तस्मात् किमर्थं तपश्चरणं kartavyam chet, I have that desire to do tapas. That's all. But that desire to do tapas cannot come in your youth itself. Yavvane. Vardhake munivrittinam. It should come only when you are ripe in your old age after experiencing everything in the world, and then in the old age you want to do tapas, yogenante tanutyajam. That is possible, but you are in your youth. Yavvane abharanani apasya, removed all your abharanam. Tvaya vardhaka shobhi valkalam dhritam kimiti. Kimiti kimartham nama. Why have you, why are you wearing this valkalam, bark garment, which is shobhi, which is beautiful during your old age? Why are you wearing it in Yavvanam itself? Vriddhekshvakunam vratam yuva. Iti vartate. When Rama goes into the forest in the 12th sarga,
12th sarga,
12th sarga la Raghuvamshatla, he says Vriddha Ikshvakunam vratam yuva dharati iti. So why is it? Angyavada, there is a reason. The reason is Satyasandha tasya pita iti karanat tasya satyam paripalayitum. He had to go to the forest. So again he gives a drishtanta, prativastupamada ingyu nanikare. Ama. So pradoshe vibhavari, pradoshe eva, even during dusk, not during dawn, at the beginning of the night itself, pradosha samaye, what does the night do? She removes all of her taraka, the jewels in the form of taraka, vinikirna taraka. So all the nakshatra stars have been given up, and she is waiting for Arunodaya immediately during Pradosha Samayam, even without even waiting for the entire night. Usually the night is supposed to be a time of enjoyment. She doesn't even wait to enjoy all the stars and the moon and everything. She immediately lets go of all the stars, and in the Pradosha Samaya eva, tatra arunaya kalpate, arunodayam nama, beginning of dawn. So she doesn't even want to enjoy. When you enter into Yavvanam, it is the time for enjoyment. At that time itself, you have decided to circumvent all of this and go directly into Vardhakyam. Why is it? He says. Yasmat idam tapascharanam ishta avaptyartham na bhavati. Ishta avaptyartham na bhavati. This tapascharanam, the fact that you are doing penance is not for getting any ishtam. Because kule prasutihi, navam vayaha, aishwaryam, amrigyam aishwaryam, everything is there. So there is no ishtam that you want to get. Anishta pariharartham api napi anishta pariharartham. There is no unpleasantness that you want to remove from your life. Tasmat, hence, nirabhisandhika, with nirabhisandhikam garche ennandirla tapascharana matram eva atra, without any I think abhisandhi nama phalabhisandhi ityartha, without any reason or without any goal in mind. The goal itself is the means that you want to do tapas. So nirabhisandhika phalam vina tapascharana matrameva atra avashishyate. So the only thing that is remaining is you are trying to do tapas nishkama rupena tatra. There is no result that you are expecting, hence you just want to do tapas. That is the only thing that is remaining which has to be addressed. Tattu purvameva kinchid ashankya. Earlier on itself he started with that and asked, why are you doing this? Parihritamapi idanim upapatti kathanadvarena swa avasare durataha nirakaroti. So in this context he wants to completely remove that, also saying that giving reasons for it. Upapatti purvakam tatra tapascharanam, without any goal in mind I am doing tapas iti yadi vartate tadapi parihartum atra arambham karoti. Okay. Tvaya yavvane abharanani apasya kimiti valkalam dhritam tvaya lokavrittagnyaya. You know how the world goes. Lokavrittam janasi tvam iti lokavrittagnyaya tvaya, by you who knows, who understands the functions of the world, the functioning of the world. Purvokta sakala guna vishishtaya cha tvaya. You also have all of the good qualities that are there. So you're a person who will not skip the stages of life, right? So anena praptavyantara nirapekshatvam uktam. So there is nothing else that you need to attain. You have everything within you, and you also know about the loka niyati. Napi nirabhisandikam valkaladharanam cha tava yuktam. Nirabhisandikam, without any reason, wearing valkalam, wearing bark garments is also tava na yuktam. It is not appropriate for you to wear bark garments. Iti vaktum arabhate. Right? Yovvane iti. Asya vayasaha na uchitam valkaladharanam. This is not the proper time for you to wear bark garments. यव्वन उचितानि आभरणानि च त्वया परित्यक्तानि इत्याह आभरणानि अपास्य. Having removed all of the ornaments that are uchitam for yavvanam. Mukta kalapadini parityajya. We had those shlokas in the earlier earlier part of this sarga. This is very interesting. Kim shabdaha prashne iti shabdaha hetau. So it translates to kasmad hetoho kimityapasyaabharanani yavvane ityuktamla. The first word itself is kimiti. Kimiti translates to kimartham or kasmad hetoho. Kim shabdaha prashne and iti shabdastu heto. What is the reason? For what reason? न केवलम अस्य वयसः योग्यानि आभरणानि परित्यक्तानि anuchita parigraha cha kritaha. Not only have you removed all your abharanam, the ornaments, you have also taken up a garment which is not appropriate to its particular vayas. Right? Vayasaha uchita abharanani, yogyani abharanani parityaktani iti na kevala. Apitu anuchita parigraha api kritaha. You have also taken an inappropriate clothing. Valkala dharana yogyam kalantaram api darshayati. He also, with the adjective, he says there is another time and place for this bark garment. Vardhake vriddhatve shobhitum sheelam asya iti tatha. Vardhakam angarthak vriddhatvam. Vardhake. Vardhaka. Shobhi. Okay. Shobhi is shobhitum sheelam asya iti shobhi as an adjective to valkalam. So it is in Napunsakalinga. Evam anuchita parigraha kimartham tvaya kritaha iti prashnasya naivam tvaya kartavyam ityeva ashayah. So the tatparyam for it is, you should not be doing this, but instead it is posed as a question here. Why are you doing this? Half the time when people ask you, why did you do this? No, it means you shouldn't have done this. That's the meaning there, no? Tatparyam. It's never a question, it's more a rhetoric kind of statement. Atayeva akartavyatvam eva prativastuna upapadayati. So this is also a prativastupama here. Akartavyam becomes the common sadharana dharma between the vastu prativastu. Okay. Vibhavari pradoshe vinikirnataraka arunaya kalpate yadi vada. If this is possible, then tell me. This is not possible is what he is saying. So vibhavari ratrihi pradoshe sandhyayameva sayam sandhya pradosha, not pratasandhya. So rajani mukham pradoshaha iti vinikirnataraka bhutva vinikirnaha apastaha tarakaha nakshatrani yaya sa. One who has removed all of the nakshatras. Atra abharana prativastutaya tarakanam nirdeshaha. So the vastu prativastu he is trying to compare here. Abharanam in the upameya paksham is the taraka in the upamana paksham. Arunaya arunam gantum. Kriyarthopapada chaturthi. Yeah? So arunaya kalpate arunam gantum, in order to immediately skip the entire night and go to arunodaya. Valkala prativastuttvena arunasya upadanam. Valkalam bark garment is also supposed to be extremely red in color. It has a brownish red in color, very similar to, or orangish red in color, very similar to the color of the sky during arunodaya. Ubhayoho api arunyat. Both have that similar color. Kalpate arhati. Arunam gantum arhati. So as Arunodayam comes about, the light dullens the light of the stars, and so it seems as if the stars have been removed from the night sky, and to welcome Aruna, or to go to Arunodaya. So yadi vibhavari pradosha samaye eva parityaktataraka bhutva arunam gantum arhati tarhi vada tvamapi yavvane eva valkalam dhritva or abharanani apasya valkalam dhartum arhasi iti. That is the comparison here, vastu prati vastu. So yasmat tatha narhati tasmat na vadishyasi. சொல்லு இது நடக்குமா அப்படின்னு கேட்கறோம்ல, அந்த மாதிரி. So is it possible, tell me அப்படிங்கிற. ஓகே, தஸ்மான் ந வதிஷ்யசி அபிசந்திகம்மா வரேன். ஸோ இந்த இடத்துல வந்து
unintentional nirabhisandhikam.
So abhisandhi usually is an intention or in something that a goal kind of thing. Okay, intent, purpose, aim, lakshyam is abhisandhi. So nirabhisandhi is that which doesn't have any aim.
Avyajava.
Avyajam venda. Karmanyevadikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana irkollo ada. Phala abhisandhimbo. That is nirabhisandhikam. Without any concentration on the phala. Aim.
Okay.
Adudha nirabhisandhikam.
Okay, so you're not attaching any value to the what you will
Value illa, phalane illa.
Not expecting anything out of it.
Anything out of this at all. You are not doing this tapas with a goal in mind.
Tapas for tapas sake.
Ada. किमित्या अपास्य आभरणानि यौवने धृतं त्वया वार्धकशोभिवल्कलं वद प्रदोषे विनिकीर्णतारका विभावरी यदि अरुणाय कल्पते. But that is also not possible. So he says, why are you unnecessarily doing this tapas? அடுத்தது திவம் யதி பிரார்த்தயசே. It's a very beautiful shloka, and actually the last line is quoted many times. So we'll do this next class.